next question from peasant movement. Pabna. Pabna peasant movement. Pabna peasant movement took place in Pabna. Took place Pabna in Bengal province. In Bengal province in the year 1873. 1873. Ishan Chandra Roy led the Pabna peasant movement. Pabna peasant movement against the zamindars. Ishan Chandra Roy led the Pabna peasant movement MOVMT. Pabna peasant movement against the zamindars of Pabna. Against the zamindars of Pabna. Now next question. Ishan Chandra Roy, known as Bidrohi Raja, or in English called Rebel, Rebel King. Pabna peasant movement came to end in 1876. That is from the Pabna peasant movement. Now next question from peasant movement. Ramosi peasant movement. Ramosi peasant movement. Ramosi peasant movement took place in 1877 in Maharashtra. Against the British Crown. Against the British Crown. Ramosi peasant movement. Led by the Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Ramosi peasant movement led by the Vasudev Balwant Phadke, also called Vasudev Balwant Phadke, was the leader of Ramosi peasant movement. What happened in 1876? हाँ, the great famine, the great famine of 1876 and 1877 in Deccan Plateau, in Deccan Plateau, in Deccan Plateau, in Deccan Plateau, British failure, take off anti-famine measures, major steps, anti-famine major steps, anti-famine major steps, and peasants of Deccan Plateau was revolted against British Crown, That is causes of the Ramosi peasant movement. Now next peasant movement, Champaran. Champaran peasant movement. Champaran peasant movement. Champaran peasant movement took place in Champaran district, at present Champaran district in Bihar. Peasants of Champaran, the peasants of Champaran were forced to grow indigo. The peasants were paid very poor wages for the indigo cultivation, for the indigo cultivation. Peasants forced to grow indigo in the place of crops, food crops. food crops. Peasants forced to grow indigo in place of food crops. Food crops. Food crop. Food crops. So on तीन कटिया सिस्टम. On तीन कटिया सिस्टम. On तीन कटिया सिस्टम. The तीन कटिया सिस्टम. The term तीन कटिया. The term तीन कटिया system. The term तीन कटिया literally means three kathas. The term तीन कटिया literally means तीन kathas. The तीन कटिया system. The तीन कटिया system. The तीन कटिया system forced peasants to grow indigo indigo on three out of every 20. They grow only indigo on 3 out of every 20 kathas. Every 20 kathas in each bigha. In every each bigha. Now the term तीन कटिया literally means तीन कट्ठा. The तीन कटिया system forced peasant to grow only indigo on 3 out of every 20 kathas in each bigha. Gandhiji was invited by Rajkumar Shukla. Rajkumar Shukla was a peasant of Champaran. Gandhiji was invited by Rajkumar Shukla. Rajkumar Shukla was a peasant of Champaran. Gandhiji came to Champaran and organized the Champaran Satyagraha. In 1917. The Champaran Satyagraha Satyagraha was the Satyagraha was the first satyagraha of Gandhi Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in 1917. The Champaran Satyagraha was the first satyagraha of Gandhi in the year 1917. Gandhiji led the Champaran Satyagraha peasant movement. Peasant. And Dr. Rajendra Prasad Anugha Narayan Sinha, Anugha Narayan Sinha, Braj Kishore Prasad and Acharya Kripalani took part in Champaran Satyagraha. In Champaran Satyagraha. Gandhi was successfully abolishing तीन कटिया system and refund 25%, refund the 25%, and refund 25% was made. Refund 25% was made to the cultivators in wages. Champaran peasant movement. Gandhiji was successfully abolishing the Teen Katiya system, and refund 25% was made to the cultivators in wages. That is all are from the Champaran peasant movement.